Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from Yellowcard to Binance in 2025. If you're looking to move your stablecoins quickly and securely, you're in the right place. USDT, or Tether, is a popular stablecoin that maintains a one-to-one peg with the US dollar, making it ideal for transfers without wild price swings. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step process to get your funds where they need to be. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics sorted. You'll need an active account on both Yellowcard and Binance, with some USDT already in your Yellowcard wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network, most likely Tron or Ethereum, for seamless compatibility. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log in to your Yellowcard account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select USDT from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Send option next to your USDT balance. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Head over to your Binance account, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT deposit address. Make sure to match the network, say Tron if that's what you're using, to avoid any errors. Step 3. Paste the Binance address into the withdrawal field on Yellowcard. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any transaction fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with a two-factor authentication code for security. Once confirmed, sit back and wait. The transfer should process in minutes, depending on the network. Finally, once it's done, log back into Binance and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the support teams on both platforms. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Yellowcard to Binance in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the ropes, but always prioritize security to protect your assets. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.